Hey everyone, welcome to Chaat Recipe. Today we are making a real quick snack that is hot, sweet and spicy apple chaat. This is really tasty and super quick. You would have seen this chaat in wedding parties or other celebrations. It's great to serve to your guests. So let's start. So we're going to start by heating up half teaspoon of butter. Next I'm going to put in my apple chunks. I've cut them in medium sizes. Just coat it well with the butter. Pinch of black salt. Pinch of black pepper. Pinch of red chili powder. 1/4 teaspoon of sugar. Mix it well. Some chaat masala. Give it a quick mix. And your beautiful chaat is ready. This just looks so beautiful. It has got that nice sweet and spicy and salty taste with that nice tenderness to it. I'm gonna go and eat it now. You guys try it out and let us know how does it comes out. Please thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such recipes. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.